After Pani Da Rang and Sadi Gali, a lot of people were expecting a new song. A lot of people didn't understand the meaning of Hanju in Pani Da Rang. A lot of people didn't understand the meaning of Hoka in Sadi Gali. आप सात सुरों से आगे भटक नहीं सकते हो. Acting में आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, किसी को पसंद आएगी, किसी को नहीं आएगी. But I think music is tougher than acting for sure. I'm still learning as an actor and a singer. So there's no agenda to be a director as of now.
ओ हीरिए तेनू ले जाना है गल तू मन च वसा नहीं जीना तेरे बिना सानू देना सजा.
After Pani Da Rang and Sadi Gali, a lot of people were expecting a new song, and I was like, it'll only come with my new film, which is releasing next year, early next year. So I thought of giving a song without the film, in form of the single called Oh Hiriye. That's why I thought of coming out with the single.
ओ हीरिए तेनू ले जाना है गल तू मन च वसा नहीं जीना तेरे बिना.
It's just one song. It's the same genre, Punjabi soft alternate rock, like Sadi Gali and Pani Da Rang, and both the songs are successful. I think this is the genre where Rochak and I have been playing a lot with, because it's not a conventional Punjabi route where there's a lot of bhangra beats and it's up tempo. It's soft melodious and it's very soft rock feel. The lyrics are going to be more Hindi than Punjabi for better connect, better reach. Because in the earlier two songs, a lot of people didn't understand the meaning of Hanju in Pani Da Rang. A lot of people didn't understand the meaning of Hoka in Sadi Gali. So I didn't want that they should be looking out for the words in the dictionary or asking their Punjabi friends for the meanings. I think it should be foolproof. It should be colloquial. It should be everything. Everybody should understand it. It feels great. In fact, I think it's great that I've been able to carve out a niche for myself. And I would also like to give credit to my fellow composer, my childhood buddy Rochak Kohli, who's given a lot of melody and strength to the lyrics in Sadi Gali, Pani Da, and also in O Mutiyare. So it's great that we've teamed up pretty well for these three songs. I think singing is the toughest. Because singing has its music. In fact, I'll say music is more tough than acting, and acting is subjective, it's relative. Music has its own set of rules. मतलब आप सात सुरों से आगे भटक नहीं सकते हो. Acting में आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, किसी को पसंद आएगी, किसी को नहीं आएगी. But I think music is tougher than acting for sure. As far as I'm concerned, my forte is acting. I'm more of an actor. We've added a lot of European drum beats in this song. It's again based on the guitar, because we compose our songs on the guitar. So it's going to be really fresh. Music is a passion, and it just adds to your credibility as an artist when you lend your voice to your character. And as far as my songs are doing well, I'm sure God willingly the directors will permit me to sing in the films. There's no clause in the contract that I have to sing a song. I think it all depends on the story, the director, the music composer, and also the tonality of the song, because I'm not really a versatile singer. I have this unconventional texture in my voice which suits particular kind of music and songs. So I would like to go with my kind of music. I'm still learning as an actor and a singer. So there's no agenda to be a director as of now. After Nautanki, my YRF film with Sonam Kapoor and Rishi Kapoor, it's coming up. It'll happen early next year.
ओ हीरिए तेनू ले जाना है गल तू मन च वसा नहीं जीना तेरे बिना सानू देना सजा.